Hello guys, good morning. I'm Rinske Douna and today I'm making an abstract painting. So I was yesterday in the studio and I was just playing around. Something didn't work on my canvas and I ended up making it Prussian blue. So it was dry today and I saw it laying there and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna play some more with this canvas. I'm just putting some colors on it and let's see if something will pop up in my mind to make a composition, a color combination. I don't know. I just had my palette from my colorful reflection paintings. If you haven't seen them, check out my last two videos. And here I go. Creating some contrast. Yeah, here I thought I want to blend the colors a bit more because this Prussian blue on the background is beautiful and that it blends a bit in the Prussian blue, but that doesn't happen because it's dry. I'm just gently tapping the colors. Well, here I'm not very gently, I'm really pushing it in. And trying to see a composition here. You know, I just play around a bit and maybe you guys do that too. You need to start somewhere, right? When creating a painting. Especially with abstract. Because you don't have a clear plan in the beginning probably. You know, and everything is good with abstract. Can't make mistakes. Yeah, some white in the middle to create a sort of light source. And I have my Prussian blue spray paint, so I thought I would have liked them to be blended more in the Prussian blue to be like a sort of galaxy look. So that's what I tried here. I wasn't very happy with the composition and of course the colors became a little bit dull because I was just spraying there with the Prussian blue, so I'm adding some more color. But yeah, if I have this and then how do I go further? So I was thinking and I saw my acrylic gold pen laying around and I thought, why not create a sort of gold web over this? But I must say I didn't really think it through because I thought, let's put some lines on there and then probably I can see the composition. Still playing around, no plan, just trying to wing it really. And yeah, with these pens, if you don't have an eraser or you can't erase any line, so if it's on there, it's on there. So far so good. Yeah, and I think here this was kind of yeah, a sort of mistake what I did here, because I'm really placing this line over the colors instead of that it's in the middle of it, and now it's getting a bit off balance for me. But I'm pushing through. Just continue. Let's see. We learn from everything we do. And I must say, this was very relaxing for me. I had my music on, playing around, trying to create something new. But let's speed this up a bit. Oh yeah, so I thought my lines were too thin, so let's add a little bit thickness to it. And guys, if you have inspiration or artists that you really love and you look at their paintings and you really want to create that, send me your inspiration. I would love to see, and maybe it inspires me too, I'm always searching on Pinterest and Instagram and trying to see what I can create next or can use. So yeah, I feel like I'm making this web a bit too wide and the composition is not really in harmony. Also, I would have liked a more of a 3D look, but next time I think I'm really gonna make a plan for such sort of a painting. So this was the first time, I was just playing around, so I guess I'm gonna do it again and then really think about this. Yeah, so I was looking at this painting and I thought, I really like it in portrait style, way better than in landscape. So here it is, it's the end result. I would love to hear your opinion about this. Well, thank you, and I'll see you next time, guys.